Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating the data you need. Open PowerShell as administrator and run powercug/battery report with an output path. This saves a detailed HTML you can open immediately. While that runs, quickly inspect the battery bay and connectors so you won't misinterpret false readings caused by poor contact. Once done, launch HP Support Assistant or Reboot and enter BIOS Diagnostics. HP's built-in test gives a hardware-level health check that complements the. You now interpret numbers and run deeper checks. Open the saved battery report. HTML and find design capacity and full charge capacity. Calculate health percentage so you can quantify wear. While you're at it, run the BIOS battery test and jot the cycle count and any error codes. These reveal whether decline is normal aging or a fault. Make sure to observe recent discharge patterns in the report so that you can correlate sudden drops to software or background processes. Finish by stabilizing readings and addressing root causes. Calibrate the battery. Fully charge, discharge to shutdown, then fully charge again. This improves reporting accuracy. Next, update BIOS and ECP or battery drivers because firmware can misreport capacity. After updates, regenerate the Windows battery report and rerun diagnostics to confirm improvement. If you still see health under around 70% or persistent error codes, you should plan an OEM battery replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if reports are missing or inconsistent, reinstall ECP drivers and run system file check to rule out OS reporting issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.